A major flood watch has extended, covering almost all of Southern California through Thursday.
Meanwhile, much of the rest of the state remains under a similar flood watch until at least Friday.
Mandatory evacuation orders have been issued for the vulnerable Orange County Canyon communities.
Further evacuation warnings have been issued, covering the San Bernardino mountain communities.
The American Red Cross mobilized swiftly, opening multiple evacuation centers. These sites are located across the region, specifically in Palmdale, Stevenson Ranch, Monrovia, and Los Angeles. The initial burst of heavy rain descended upon the region overnight Tuesday. This was expected to be a possible second intense belt of rain early Wednesday morning. This further precipitation could significantly elevate the existing risk of flooding and severe mudslides. Southern California's coastal areas and valleys are forecast to receive significant totals. They are expected to receive anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of rain over the period from Tuesday through Saturday. In the higher elevation foothills and mountain regions, the total accumulation will be even more severe. Forecasts predict these areas could receive up to 10 inches of rain over the entire 5-day period. Reports of significant flooding and debris flow began surfacing across Southern California early Wednesday morning. Before sunrise, the 5 freeway near Sun Valley saw most lanes flooded. This intense flooding resulted in multiple stranded cars. One specific vehicle was reported to have water reaching up to its doors. Farther to the northwest, severe conditions were reported near Sylmar. Both northbound lanes at the truck bypass in Sylmar were reported impassable due to flooding. Emergency services also reported a major rock slide incident on Highway 14. The rock slide occurred on the stretch midway between Santa Clarita and Palmdale. In the mountain community of Wrightwood, conditions worsened rapidly throughout Wednesday morning. This was worsened by the accumulation of water on the fire-scarred, vulnerable hillsides. The San Bernardino Sheriff's Department subsequently issued an evacuation warning due to the high potential for mud and debris flows. This specific warning covered the geographic area from Pine Street extending to the Los Angeles County line. At 7:30 a.m. Wednesday, fire officials were notified of flooding conditions across Highway 2 near Wrightwood. This report was confirmed by Christopher Prater, a spokesperson for the San Bernardino County Fire Protection District. Prater confirmed that crews were responding to multiple debris flows and flooding across the community. He emphasized that their immediate and primary concern was centered on life safety. The San Bernardino County Sheriff officially issued the mandatory evacuation warning for the high-risk area on Wednesday. Prater stated that response crews were going door-to-door, helping residents evacuate their homes safely. Simultaneously, other crews were responding to emergency reports of multiple people stuck in vehicles in the roadway. Fortunately, as of the 10:30 a.m. update, there were 0 reported injuries or deaths. Prater characterized the entire situation as an escalating incident. He noted that the danger had rapidly gotten worse over the past couple hours. Officials were deeply concerned because the storm was still early and significantly more rain was expected. Caltrans District 8, which covers Riverside and San Bernardino counties, reported a critical road closure. All lanes were closed on State Route 18 due to hazardous conditions. This closure specifically took place at Sheep Creek Road within Phelan. Utilizing Platform X, the agency strongly advised the community to avoid the dangerous closure area. This warning was due to the fact that active, fast-moving waters were flowing directly through the roadway. The State Route 18 closure remains firmly in place until officials can provide further notice.